Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my new channel. So here I'm trying to build a chat app. So one day I was just sitting and I felt like and I suddenly got this idea of building a chat app. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me start building. And then I just simply started it without giving it much of thought. But then as I was doing it, I was trying to build some features and try to search it on in Google, like how to build some things and all that stuff, which I was not getting, and I didn't get a proper results for that. So after some time, I kind of finished building that features as well. But then I felt like what, it's better to just record what I'm building, and show and upload it to the YouTube so that other people can see that. And it's not a tutorial, basically it's just that I'm trying to show you what I'm building and all that stuff. So let me just show you how that chat apps looks like right now. So this is the login screen, nothing much. It's just like I just started it down. I still have to properly design all the stuff and all. So I'll just show you what I have done till now. So basically in this in this app I use React in my front end and Firebase. I use Firebase for storing the data and for authentication, as well as a storage, to store the images or any other files. So let me start with it. Let me just show you guys how I am doing this. So I click on the sign in. This pop-up will come. Here I have to fill the login details. So for now I'll be using this login details. So as soon as the login is done, it's gonna show you guys it's gonna show the user registration page where I can choose a username. If I give a username that's already been taken, it will actually show you the error. I'll just show you just add some dummy, let me go and get some dummy date. Nothing much of a fuss. Yeah, cool. So as far as I know, this username has already been taken, so it should actually show throw a error for us. Yeah, it already told. So what I can do is, oh, this is a girl's name, so I'll just add something. I'll just add the email address just for now. As soon as this is done, if I click on save, we'll just save that user and we'll show this home page. So in the bottom navigation bar, if you see, I have four options. This is the chat, this is search for someone. Basically this app is registered using a username. So this is basically a chat app which is connected to a username. If you see other chat apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, it's all, even if you say Signal and all that stuff, it's actually we have to it's registered through a phone number and then you get a OTP and then that's how you kind of log in. But this chat app is not designed to go with that. So in this you actually give a username and you basically search someone else from their username, and that's how your chat begins. So that's how it goes. And there is no concept of contacts and all that stuff, because this is not a chat app. Like, it has a chat feature, but it's not chatting with your contacts or something like that. It's like you are chatting with the people who are registered using their username. So that's how it is. So this is a place where you search for someone. This is where, if there is actually a concept, what I have done is if you want to chat with some other person, then you have to actually send a request to them with a message saying that you want to chat with them. And if any other person searches for you, and then if he sends a request, then all that request will come here. This is your basically your profile page, how it looks. In user registration page, I had to actually give a field to add these links, but for now I have not done it. I still have to do that. And this is where you search for someone. This is where whoever whomever you have accepted request, or whoever you have sent a request has accepted it, all that people will be shown here. So I'll just show you some sample you know I'll just show you how it works. So this is another user, if you see here. So what happens is, now in here, if I search for someone, like what I'll do, I'll search for this person, whoever is logged in this tab. So it's this way. You'll search and it will, here you can type a message and click on a request button and say, hi, how are you? I'm your college friend. And you click on a request. In here, he'll automatically get a request, that request has been read. So he'll go here, he'll get a request. If you see the message, this message, as soon as you accept this, or you can reject it. So as soon as you confirm it, here if you see on the right hand side, it changes to friends as well. And if you go to the chat list in here, you'll get that person, and you can, and even here if you see, this person is added here, so both can now send a message. And if you open, and like, imagine now I'm sending this person, I'm sending a message from here. So I'll say just like, hi, how are you? And if you send a message, if you know it, it was actually at the last, but then as soon as the message came, this came to the starting, because it was the recent message. And if you click on it here, if you see, this has been blue tick because he just saw this message. And I have even implemented typing feature as well. Like, imagine this guy is typing, you'll get it in here saying that it's typing. So now if I say, hi, how are you, you can see that in here this typing message is coming. You can just send it, you'll get a blue tick mark as well. And if you do the same in here, the same thing happens. Typical messages that is sent to our friend. If you see here, typing was just coming, even in console log you can see that. So even the blue tick mark. So this is what I have done till now, and I still have a lot of things to do. Like, if you go back, you can see there is no last message, and the time is also static. Like, if you can see here, see, all the message has the same time. This also I have to change. And if you go to profile, I have given some links here, but in a user registration page, I don't know if you remember it, but I have not given a input field to add this social links. That's what I have to do as well. And then I have to give an option to change the BP. So I have written it down, all the tasks that are that we need to do. I had upload in the user registration page. Also I have to give an option for you to choose a image. But right now this is in this is in HTML, right? So what I'm trying to do is, I want to make it into an Android app. So what I'll do in the after some time, I'll actually be integrating this React project with the Ionic, so that I can convert it into an Android app or something like that. And this is, I already told you. And one more thing is, if you see here, the profile page kind of looks similar to the user registration page. So what should happen, if I edit the profile, then it should go to the same component as what the user registration page goes to. That's what I have to make. And even I have told you this, guys, like, in the chat screen, I have to show the last message with the proper time. So this is what the tasks that are remaining currently. I think after that it will be done, and I have to even work on my UI actually. This UI kind of looks really, really, like, it's not that bad, but it's not good as well. So I really have to change all this stuff. So this is the introduction for my app that I'm trying to build. This is not a tutorial app. This is not where I teach you stuff. I just want to show you guys, like, how do you say, it's like a productive video or something like that. You can think of it like that. That's it. So let's get started then.